you are anything like me, then you have thought about 1,000 times about creating a TikTok shop. Or maybe you've gone a step farther and you've actually created the shop, but it's crickets or you don't really know what to do now. Well, I was kind of in both locations because I have tried a TikTok shop, but I didn't know what to do because it was super confusing because there's like a seller central. It's just, there's affiliates. It's so much. And I'm sure if you're anything like me, you agree. So what did I do? I booked a consultation with a TikTok shop expert and I asked all my questions. And let me tell you, I learned quite a bit and I can't wait to share all of it with you. So let's be real, my friends. My audience is mainly people who are just absolutely overwhelmed, right? We either are dealing with learning how to open up a shop for the first time, wondering what kind of products that you should sell, struggling with your digital art, or maybe you're on the other side of things and you're dealing with chronic pain, or you're a busy mom, or you're working full time and you're just trying to navigate all of these different things. And the last thing that we need is another entire system to learn, like TikTok Shop. Am I right? But I can't tell you how big of an opportunity TikTok Shop is. I know you already know that because either you're scrolling and you see it, it's all you hear about, or your friend Sally down the road is constantly buying stuff off of TikTok Shop. Regardless, you know about it, you hear about it, and you know that it's where we should probably be. So when Fiverr reached out to me to do a Fiverr TikTok Shop campaign, I was like, let me think about this. I was like, yeah, okay, for sure, because I need to learn about this stuff. And when I learn about it, I can share it with my people, and then we will all know about it, and we will be so much happier, right? Because who doesn't want somebody to hold your hand and walk you through all of the nitty-gritty parts that you just don't want to do by yourself? First off, huge shout out to Vlad. I mean, he literally killed it, okay? He taught me so much in such a short amount of time. He's such an expert in his field, and I was absolutely amazed at all of the different things that he has been able to accomplish, from different stores from Amazon to Temu to Walmart, and then of course TikTok Shop being his most tried and true and amazing. And really it was just inspiring and incredible and humbling, but also I loved that I went away from the consultation feeling like I could do this. Like, this is a real option for me. It didn't feel like something that was so far away anymore. And it felt like they were really going to be able to help me launch. So throughout my conversation with them, I learned that I could sell digitally on TikTok Shop, but it's not the same as whether you were to do a physical product. Through talking back and forth, physical products are always going to be better. And the reason for that is because you can show them off. Now, a great thing that they will do is they will actually help you create your content. So let's say you're not comfortable with being behind the camera or holding something up for a live video. They will actually help you and create the content for you if that's something you would like them to do. But the part that I liked is that it didn't feel pushy and it didn't feel salesy at all. It was more like, what can we offer you, or how can we help you? And if we can't help you with this, that's okay. Can we help you over here? So when I was speaking with them, I really focused on the fact that I would love help just getting started. So just going to TikTok Shop, just logging in, just creating the store, maybe some assistance in choosing the products that I should sell, whether that be t-shirts or tumblers or tote bags, what they felt would be a good fit for like my designs on the products, what maybe is trending right now, looking at my market and the people that I sell to. Now, if you've been here a while, you know that I've had print on demand shops in the past, but I've always done them through Etsy. I'm not saying that that's a bad idea, but it really just hadn't occurred to me to use print on demand with TikTok Shop. I think honestly, because the whole TikTok Shop setup was absolutely daunting and way more overwhelming than I actually ever thought. Trust me, tried it. But in all reality, I'm already selling the digital products. I've already created the digital products. So all I have to do is figure out which products those would go best on. Overall, the Fiverr consultation really helped me think through this as a strategy instead of just guessing, because I wasn't looking for somebody to say, hey, TikTok Shop is a great idea for you. Go do it. Woo! I needed someone to actually listen to me, go through my goals, go over what I sell and what I'm looking forward to, and all of that, and tell me, does my product fit? If not, what would be better? Is print on demand a good idea? What product should I test first? How many should I launch with? What setup pieces do I need to understand? What could go wrong? What parts can you help me with? And where can an expert help save me time? Precious, precious time that I have such little of these days. Because when you're a beginner, even someone who's seasoned and has been designing for a long time or selling online for a long time and doing e-commerce for a long time, that doesn't mean I'm an expert in TikTok Shop or another platform. I'm still a beginner. I've never done it before. And it's really, really easy for us to overcomplicate things. And my ADHD brain is like, let's overthink this a million times before we even ask a question, because that sounds like a fantastic idea. From what I gathered, the TikTok Shop experts can help you with different parts of the process depending on what you need. That could include things like helping you figure out whether TikTok Shop is right for your business, helping you decide what products to sell, helping with TikTok Shop setup, helping with products listings and store structure, helping with operations and fulfillment strategy, helping with affiliates and creator strategy, content ideas, live stream or growth strategy. And for me, the most helpful part is that this can be customized, because not every business owner is stuck in the same place. Some people already have products but need help setting up the shop, like myself. And then some people have a shop but no content strategy. Some people want to use affiliates but have no idea how to find creators. And some people, like me, are sitting there going, I have designs, I have an audience, I have a brand, but what is the smartest way to connect this shop to TikTok Shop without accidentally creating a whole other full-time job? That is where a consultation with TikTok Shop experts makes sense. So if you're as curious as I am about TikTok Shop, whether you should start it, what you should start it with, all the different questions, or maybe you just need the setup help, or maybe you just need help wondering what kind of content, all the different things, right? If it has to do with TikTok Shop and you're curious, I strongly, strongly encourage you to click the link in the description box below and book yourself a free consultation. Honestly, I'm so happy I did. I feel like I have all these questions answered. It felt like such a great use of my time, and I'm so happy I was able to share this with you guys as well. If you guys try the consultation, please let me know in the comments down below. I think it'd be really cool to know how many of you guys jump on and at least try the free consultation. It doesn't mean you're locked into anything. It's just a free consultation, and they'll be able to answer all the different TikToky questions that you have going in your brain. I'm so thankful to Fiverr for reaching out, sharing this with me so that I can also share it with you. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as it's super helpful for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you back. Go design a life you love, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.